This is the Halo Cabinet, an entryway piece designed to bring beauty and meaning into everyday life. Built from solid cherry, crafted by hand, and finished with care. Every piece starts with a conversation about space, about purpose. This one began as a few sketches and evolved into a cabinet designed to feel light and grounded at the same time. This beautiful black cherry came from Gutch's Lumber Company, who generously sponsored this build. I'm grateful to partner with companies that care as much about quality and sustainability as I do. If you're curious how I bring ideas like this to life, from design to joinery to finishing, I share deeper dives over on Patreon. But for now, let me show you how this piece came together. I believe you can feel when something is made with intention. That's why I take time choosing the right grain, shaping each part by hand, and making sure every transition feels natural. The cabinet is designed to feel light on its feet, even though it's made from solid wood. Subtle shaping in the legs and top creates that flowing effect, giving the piece a sense of presence without heaviness. Sometimes the smallest details are what people notice the most. The way a drawer glides, the way the grain flows, or how a handle feels when you reach for it. I finish every piece by hand to bring out the natural beauty of the wood. And when everything clicks, design and material and craft, you get something that quietly elevates the space it lives in. The Halo Cabinet was designed to hold what matters. If you're looking for something like this, made to fit your space and your life, you can find more of my work at starrwoodworks.com. And if you're a fellow maker who wants to learn more about my process, you're invited to join me on Patreon.